PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. Our commercial HVAC company installs and repairs all major brands of heating and cooling systems. Call our commercial HVAC company today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is the working principle of a commercial multi-zone HVAC system? Individual motorized dampers and programmable thermostats control temperature in zoning systems. Each zone's thermostat and damper system controls heating and cooling. Do commercial HVAC systems pull air from outside? In spite of the fact that a split HVAC system uses outdoor air to heat and cool the home, it does not use outdoor air to heat and cool. It is typical for a unit to produce cool air and a furnace to produce warm air. What is your service area for the Swarthmore, Pennsylvania service office? Our local commercial HVAC services have served Swarthmore, Lima, Elwyn, Glen Riddle, Media, Rose Valley, Brookhaven, Parkside, Upland, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Prospect Park, Wallingford, Moylan, Rose Tree, Nether Providence Township, Millmont Park, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC service office located? We are located at 1630 Fairview Road No. 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Fairview-Road-Swarthmore-HVAC-Service.